We've also got the Vivofit 4, like you mentioned. It's more of an entry-level device, $80, has steps, calories burned, can give you the weather, a couple customizable features to make the device just a little bit more unique to the user. So very exciting stuff here at Garmin.
Now, as she mentioned, this is a very basic device. This is Garmin's cheapest offering now at $80. This does not come with any sort of built-in optical heart rate sensor, and this does not come with GPS. So it tracks your distance using the built-in accelerometer instead of using GPS, which is accurate, but obviously not nearly as accurate as using GPS. Additionally, it's going to estimate your calories burned by the movement that it detects using that accelerometer, and it's not going to use your heart rate as a factor in calculating your calories. So again, it will be somewhat accurate, but not nearly as accurate as having access to a built-in optical heart rate sensor like some of the more expensive Garmin devices that are on the market. It comes with a very tiny always-on color display, and it's not touchscreen. You have to navigate the menus through a series of single taps or long presses in order to access various menus. Now, even at $80, this does come with a waterproof designation, so you can wear this with you into the pool or swimming, but it does not track that activity. While it's what they call swim friendly, it does not actually track swimming activities. Now, this comes with a built-in watch-style battery that lasts about a year, and then after that, you'll have to replace the battery manually. So again, this is just a very basic fitness tracker that Garmin is trying to offer up for those who are looking to get in and dip their toes into the fitness tracking world. So hopefully you guys found this video interesting and helpful. Thanks for watching. My name is Eric, and I'm the Techy Agent here at CES 2018. We'll catch you next time.